In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a budget in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Company up top, and you want to go to Planning and Budgeting, and you want to click on Setup Budgets. Now, whenever you do this over here, you can create a new budget by clicking on Create New Budget top right, and then from here, you can go and select what year you want to do it for. I'm going to do 2027 over here, and then you have the budget type, either balance sheet or profit and loss. I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to click on Next. Then I'm going to do no additional criteria, and then Next again. And here you can either create one from scratch or create it from previous year's actual data. I'm going to go and click on From Scratch, and I'm going to click on Finish. Then there we go. As you can see over here, it's going to put in your, of course, budget, and you can go ahead and customize it however you want. You can go ahead and copy across as well. Use the Adjust Row Amounts button over here too. And then whenever you're done, click on Save and OK, and you are good to go, okay? So, of course, that's one way to do it, and you can see up top, you can switch by budgets like this over here, and of course, you can change them, make them, alter them, whatever you want to do, okay? Now, if you want to start based on the previous year, you could do that as well. So if I click on over here, and if I go and click on force create one from previous year's data, I'm going to click on Finish, and there we go. It's going to auto-populate, and now I can essentially just change things, but it's going to be basically the same as last year. I can just make the changes which are necessary. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.